a jogging tour today. Should be a good one. With elegant, right? Because they're gonna put the, what do we call it, the picture frame.
Yeah,
on
the
this
picture
guy.
frame, a border to
Yeah, do that in some other spots too.
frame in the rustic wood.
Yeah.
Right.
While the guys elegantly and cheaply made the deck more durable, I continued the work in the basement.
Got some paint on, baby. And where did these boards come from?
This pile?
Look at that. We're recycling.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do?
We're upcycling. Cheers. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
It was a good day. As my wife says, it's time to make the donuts. I'm excited. We got some packages overnight. One of these better be the shower faucet. That's a big shower head right there.
And now I'm just taking this thing.
Enjoy your carpentourism, Pete.
Well, thank you.
The metal experiment is still a work in progress. Hoping to get this to rust out in a pretty way so I can use it to clad the front porch. And that's going to be a highlight of the curb appeal. We're 7 days in, and it's less than a quarter of my 30 days. So yeah, I'm still optimistic that we can do this. Although we're going to lose Pete for next week, as he is going to help some other friends with some carpentourism in Portland. Maybe he'll give us a little update of what he's doing there. It's Friday and I just did a half day today because now it's time to go golf. And in a sense that's some preparation because I'm hoping next week, if the weather cooperates, and by that I mean it's got to be crappy enough that nobody's on the course, but good enough that the course is open, I'm going to do a golf marathon, or at least attempt it.
It's a little left of the flag. Yeah, totally. Putting contest for 3 of us.